Hello KUNOMAILers and welcome to a new short video tutorial. In our today's video tutorial I want to show you some new things in our letter creator and our media center. First we start with our letter creator. In our letter creator we have two new tabs, configuration and templates. First we start with the configuration. Now you can choose here your default KUNOMAIL template for the selection. The new thing is also that you can activate all your installed Windows fonts on your computer. You just have to activate it and set your default font you want to use for your letters. Also, you can specify the default directory for saving the templates. You just click on Browse, choose your folder. You also can choose your external media and save all your letters on this drive, for example. We have a lot of customers, they use external drives and want to save their letters there. Now it is possible. Just browse to your drive and your folder and then save it there. Then click here on Save and that's it. The next one are the templates. Now we have here some previews, some templates for you. You also can save your own templates here. I just choose this one, the flower template, for example. And here you have a lot of new possibilities. First is that you can here select the folder where all your templates are in, and then all your templates will be shown as a preview here in this window. You can select all if you, for example, if you want to delete it and put in new templates. You can edit it in the Magic Editor. I showed you a little bit later, and you can pass it here into KUNOMAIL in the Media Center. If you want to create it a little bit more, then you just change here, for example, to text. And I want to show you, if you think, oh no, the flowers are too big, you can say, oh, I want it a little bit smaller, for example, just here. No, that was here. This 20%, for example, and I don't want it on the right bottom. I want it on the bottom left. Just can click it, and then the flowers are here. A lot of people ask us, yeah, but if we have a blank template, we have always a frame, and we don't know how can we do this. I want to show it you on a blank template. General, you just have to click here on Restart. Okay, and then here you have this frame. And if you don't want this frame, you can, for example, say, okay, on the left side, first you want to create it, just, for example, little text here in there. And then on the right. And now you say, but I don't want this frame. And you just can click here in the left, in the right. You go to General and say the frame thickness should be 0. And now you don't have a frame. So then you can create a whole picture without a frame. The next one is here, the text. I first start with a new one, restart it. Yes, I choose a template, my flowers again, and the text. It is possible here to write a text here in this picture. But this is just a preview. It's not saved. If you want to create a template, you always have to put in your text here in this box. Just put it in here and then you save it. Then it's saved as a template. Okay, that's also very important. And now, if you want to use this template in an email, you want to say, okay, I'm ready with my template, then now you can click here on Edit in Magic Editor, and then your template will be automatically open in a new email. You just can write it down. My text is not in here because I didn't save the text. Now you can write your text and then send it um, to a person. Okay, that is also new. What is also important, it's not possible to go back from here to the letter creator. If you forgot something and you say, oh, I want to use in another picture, you have to close it, go back to the letter creator, um, change it here in the template, and then again edit in Magic Editor, and then your changes will be in your new email. These are all new options in our letter creator. The next one is our media center. In our media center, well, it's just a little bit tidy. So now, for example, here we go to the animations and then to the emoticons. And as you can see, yeah, it's a little bit more cleaned up, and it's easier to select and to handle your images, your signatures, your greeting cards, your letter templates in our media center. There are no new functions in the media center, just I said it already, a little bit cleaned up. Okay, so try it out. I hope you enjoy this little video tutorial, and greetings from Berlin, your KUNOMAIL team. Bye bye.